Hello YouTube, welcome to BPS Explorer. In today's video, I am going to tell you about one of the major problems that every Arduino programmer or some other programmers faced while programming for hardwares. And that is that communication error between your PC or your laptop to that Arduino boards or development or some other development boards. This problem mainly occurred due to the reason that the ampere developed to your board by your PC or laptop is not enough. So the communication completely stops out, but your device had been detected by the computer or PC. But the thing is that only the communication stops. That makes the device not working or sometimes can't open the device. And if you are uploading the program to your devices by connecting more than 2 or 3 sensors to a power pin, your device won't work because the ampere consumed by whole system is not enough and the system stops us completely. Uh, and some other things causing this is that I am having a cable, a connector cable of 2 meter from my computer table, working table, to my electronic bench, which is far apart, which is few uh, inches apart from my computer table. So I want to connect my board systems to my PC. So I use some external cable, which was so length, and length cables also as higher resistance, it stops working. So what I did major times is that, so to overcome this, I developed a small board like this. So what I did is that I connected the ground with the help of a small diode. You can choose any kind of diode, some uh, maybe some low diode is enough, some 1 or 2 amps diode is enough. So don't need for higher amp diodes. And second thing is that I had given a 5 volt, 5 volt from external power source. So what I did is that I made a ground as common, and I had given 5 volt from external. Based upon your boards, you can change this volt into 5 volt or some other 3 volt, or maybe even some boards work with 24 volt or 12 volts. So based upon your board, you can change the voltage of this. So most of the microcontroller works with 5 volt. So I'm giving here a 5 volt. So this 5 volt is connected to the pin, output pin of USB. So what this goes is that this one goes to my USB connector wire, and this one goes to the data cable where I'm going to use for my Arduino boards or some other boards, ESP32 boards, or some other development boards. So this creates the separate versions of power voltages, where your computer is not going to get anything. Your computer is not going to give any higher amps, any low amps. That's not a matter. So just the ground is going to common, and everything works separately. So no need to get afraid of some other things. So on the data buses are those straight, it works completely fine, and the board works completely fine as even. Try this out if you are facing the same problem, and this program, board works fine for me very well. Now I can upload my board even connected with 5 or 6 sensors. It works completely fine. No problem. I had no problem with this system. Hope this helps you. Thanks. If you want to interested to get more things like this, please subscribe my channel.